Want to know how your neighbors and friends are earning free PayPal money online? Then you're at the right way. Because, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn free PayPal money online. And also it cut across all countries worldwide. And it does not require no experience, no money at all to get started. Because this is 100% free. And all it takes is a couple of clicks on a button. And the best part of this is that you can do this on your phone or tablet. In this video I will show you step by step on how to do this. And how to start earning $1,000. And if you stick with me to the end of this video I will show how this is all done. But before we start, welcome to Money Giant, where we teach you how to make money online the easiest way. Make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell, so when we upload a new video on how to make money online you'll be updated. Let's get back to the video. The answer is that they are taking genuine opinion surveys online in their free time. Simply give your opinion on market research, online surveys and be rewarded with free PayPal money and gift cards. Just go to prizerebel.com, sign up for free, and starts with a simple opinion survey, where you are asked to provide your opinion on a product or service or brand. Each survey generally takes around 5 to 10 minutes to complete and it's completely free to join and participate. You can choose to receive surveys via email or visit the website daily. And you receive your money once you complete a survey. So hurry and sign up. You can also invite a friend and earn 15% of what he or she earns, and that's all. You'll start making free PayPal money, and if you haven't subscribe to Money Giant. That's all I have for you today. See you in my next video.